Let's have a quick demo of how to use Doc. After signing up, you will be granted access to the documentation. In this documentation, we have provided a step-by-step guide of how you can integrate with Doc to auto-generate documents through predefined templates. Let's go over the templates first. For this demo, we are hosting the templates on AWS S3. This is a centralized location where we have stored different kind of templates. It is important to note that the templates can be stored anywhere on the cloud, depending on your requirements. Let's choose a template from this list. We'll go ahead with the welcome letter check template and download it. Now you can see that the placeholders are defined in the curly brackets. We have customer address, agreement number, chassis number, vehicle make and more. This means that these placeholders are dynamic values that can be altered. After this, we will switch to Postman to call this template. As you can see, the placeholders shown in the previous documents are clearly defined in this short snippet. We will execute this code, and in return we will receive a URL of the location where auto-generated document is hosted. All the dynamic values of the predefined placeholders have been incorporated.